Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making this Cajun sausage and chicken penne. So first we're going to brown our sausage like you see here. And once they're nice and brown, we're going to use that same pan, throw in about a teaspoon or two into that pan, and we're going to saute our veggies. And I'm using the holy trinity, that is onions, bell pepper, garlic, and celery. Once your veggies are nice and translucent, you want to throw in some flour or some cornstarch, and that's just going to help us get our sauce a little bit on the thicker side. And now you just want to add in chicken stock or chicken broth slowly. You don't want to add too much at one time because you don't want clumps in your sauce. And y'all, I did not measure how much chicken stock I used, but I used maybe about a cup. And then as you can see, I'm going in with some seasonings. Now I'm going in with about a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. Then you just want to let your sauce simmer until it thickens up. This is optional, but I'm going in with some sun-dried tomatoes. And I'm only doing a few because I'm not a huge fan of tomatoes. And we're also going to throw in our sausage that we browned earlier. And of course, pasta can't be pasta without a little cheese. I'm using this 4 cheese mix, and I'm going to throw the entire container. Now you can use however much cheese you want, but I like a lot of cheese, so I went in with about 1.5 containers of this 4 cheese and Parmesan cheese. Now we're gonna throw in our pasta, and I also grilled my chicken off camera. I seasoned it with the same seasonings I used in the pasta, and I'm just gonna mix everything together. And of course, I'm gonna add a little bit more cheese because cheese make it taste better. And I'm also doing a dash of dried parsley just to add a little bit of color. And like I said before, I love cheese, so I'm topping it with a lot more cheese. You don't have to use as much cheese as I did, but like I said, I love cheese, so I put a whole lot. And now your meal is complete. Now you have a 30-minute meal that took little to no effort. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share to a friend, and I will see you in my next video.